Looks like the invasion of the service is going according to plan. Indeed. However, despite our numbers, we are starting to stretch out too thin. Really? Really? Yes. What do you think the solution for that problem would be? From what I heard, our Queen wants the most elite units to go after world leaders of the ground workers' most powerful nations. That's a strike a crushing blow. Cut off the head of the snake and the body dies.
This is Air Force One. Repeat. This is Air Force One. We have the President on board. The presidential shelter that has been used for the past few months is no longer safe. We need to get him out of the country immediately. Requesting clearance for takeoff. Joint Base Andrews Flight Control. Are you there? Please respond.
Look. Forget asking for clearance. We need to get out of here now. Wait. We have a Locust on the runway. Oh no. Please pay attention to the following message. Repeat. Please pay attention to the following message. We are sorry to inform you all that our very nation has fallen. All attempts to repel the invasion of the Locust Horde have failed. Our military and defenses have been either exhausted or completely destroyed. We ask of you now to do what you can to survive this nightmare and one day find a way to end this horror. You are now on your own. This is the final transmission and activation of the emergency alert system. The United Nations will be providing messages through the survival network. Please stay tuned for those messages. Good luck in your survival from here.
If you are hearing this message, you are currently listening to the United Nations Survival Network. From here, we will be providing information key to your survival. These messages will be translated into the language of the nation you are watching and listening to this in. Please stay tuned for further information on this global catastrophe.